That was all push and pedal. What's the fuck?
Push it on.
Pedal. I call it push and pedal. It's a PMA. But anyway, because one of the teachers, one of the school goes, so then they want to change the whole name off the reputation that you got. So it happens.
So pushy, whatever it was.
Even
So you're
like,
telling
she,
me.
even though he went to prison, she still wanted to stay with him. She still wanted to stay with him, even though he was married.
Yeah, but they probably ended up getting divorced.
No, it was all over the news and stuff.
Right, the thing I was thinking yesterday, when you, after that guy messaged me, is about, when it was about Legoland in Windsor.
Yeah, I know. Someone tried to touch up the girl.
No, he actually did. He touched up to 6-year-olds.
Kidding.
Huh?
I'm kidding.
Apparently he was about 19 or in his 20s. But if he was, why would he be in a kid's play area?
Well, it clearly states what he's like.
It'll be funny, but you should have staff in the play area. I've never been to that. I'm not going to be on this. That much different.
Wow.
I don't have my leg on plan for driving. Oh. What the fuck? There's a person reading something, yeah, and the person was like, I have one already, 6.5-month-old son, and now found out 7 weeks of number 2. Huh? Yeah, no, even like this morning.